Hi, I'm Chuck Beckett, a DJ on WFHB's Morning Music Mix, and this is a short video on Playlister. We'll address some basic editing guidelines for this tool in the next few minutes. Our first videos demonstrated how to copy your playlist into Playlister. Next, we'll want to leverage the tool to save you some work. You'll need to guide Playlister by changing some text. First guideline: green is good for editing. Don't change it if it's not green. As you can see on the Playlister Help tab, you should feel free to edit the contents of any spreadsheet cells with a light green background. Green is go for editing. For example, the Configs tab holds some basic configuration that you'd want to customize. Take a look at the green boxes in column A. Since the values are green, I know I can change them. Let's make this show the Afternoon Music Mix Part 1. Let's say we intend to air the show on July 23rd. And since it's the Afternoon Music Mix Part 1, let's set the airtime to 1 p.m. Now let's take a peek at one of the yellow background tabs. Now we're looking at the length of our fourth set, called Kick Off the Second Hour. Notice that this particular cell contains a formula. That formula calculates the length. So we'll not really need to change the length of the set by hand. We'll let Playlister calculate that for us. Second guideline: never delete or insert. Instead of delete, use clear. Instead of insert, use paste special values. So why can't we delete? A quick demo will show us why. First, notice it's the Afternoon Music Mix Part 1 on the 23rd of July, so our configuration has worked. So here's a list of tracks in the Add Pool tab. The pink, orange, and green areas are all conditional formatting. The pink indicates that this artist is in the current playlist for your show. In this case, I know that I picked a track by Rick Ferris, so it's showing Rick Ferris in pink to let me know that I already have a track by that artist in my show. The dark green indicates that track is in the current playlist for your show. So this indicates that the song or the track Stoneman's Raid is in my playlist. So when you delete a cell, even one that you can freely edit with this nice green background, if you delete, you remove the conditional formatting and break the calculated values that refer to the deleted cell. Let's see what happens when I do this. Delete. Whoops, things go really wonky. So now, with those cells no longer in existence, my calculated values for that area are all broken and show errors. The tracks and the calculated values for those tracks do not line up. Yuck! Let's undo this. So, how do you get rid of a cell's value? Well, you clear it. You clear it of its contents like this. We right-click on this range of cells. We go up here to Clear Contents, and we select Clear. Now we haven't broken the calculations. The red background is simply conditional formatting saying we don't have any values over here. But you'll notice that the calculated values are correct. And what's more important, we haven't destroyed conditional formatting or any other formulas that we can't see here. Let's put that back. So, how do you paste into a range of cells? To paste into a cell or range of cells, you need to use paste special values instead of a simple paste. In this example, I'm going to copy the song information in the iTunes tab, this area here. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to place it in the local tab. First, we do a straight paste to see why that's not a good idea. Oops, it turned out that the values I was pasting, some of them are formulas deriving the values that I wanted. I just wanted to paste the song information, not the formulas. Things have gone seriously wonky. Backgrounds changed. Things are bad. So let's undo that. Now let's paste special values. If you've never done a paste special values before, it's pretty simple. I'm going to right click on this cell, and one of the options I have besides paste in our paste options is paste values. And paste special has the exact same thing down here, paste values. So I want to click where that 1, 2, 3 is and paste just the values, not the formulas. I don't want to overwrite the conditional formatting. I do this. There we go. Now all the conditional formatting works. It looks good. Now that we know how to configure and modify the data in Playlister, we're ready to make the tool work for us.